Tired of surprise charges from Namecheap auto-renewals? Learn exactly how to turn them on or off for each service in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through the billing settings step by step, from logging in to toggling auto-renewal for domains, privacy, hosting, email, and more. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Namecheap.com. Just pull that up in your browser. This is where everything starts. Now look for the Account menu at the top of the page. It's usually on the right-hand side. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in your Account area, you'll see a few different options. You want to find Profile and click on it. This takes you to your personal settings. From there, look for the Billing section. I've spent a lot of time navigating these menus, and this is the hub for everything related to payments and renewals. Click on Billing. Inside the billing area, you'll see a tab or a link that says Auto-Renewal. That's exactly where we need to be. Click on that. Now, here's where the control really starts. You'll see an Edit button. Click on that to open up the settings. And here's the really important part. You'll be taken to a page that shows different categories of services. The first one you'll see is Items to Auto-Renew. This is like the master switch for everything. But I want to walk you through each category because they all work a little differently. Start by clicking on Domains. This will show you every domain name in your account. For each one, you can decide whether it renews automatically or not. If you have a domain you're no longer using, this is where you turn that auto-renewal off. If you've got a critical domain you don't want to lose, make sure it's switched on. Next, click on Domain Privacy Protection. Privacy Protection is a separate service that hides your personal contact info from the public database. It has its own renewal setting. So if you want to keep your info private but don't want to forget to renew it, turn this on. If you're letting a domain go, you can turn it off here too. Now move on to hosting services. If you have any hosting plans with Namecheap, they'll show up right here. The same logic applies. Turn it on for plans you want to keep running without interruption. Turn it off for anything you're planning to cancel. After that, click on Secure Email Service. A lot of people forget about email renewals. You might have set up a professional email address for your domain and then completely forgot about it. This is where you manage that. Toggle it on or off depending on whether you still need that mailbox. Then there's One-Pager. If you've built a simple one-page website through Namecheap, it has its own auto-renewal setting here. Don't skip this one if you have one of those sites running. Finally, once you've gone through every category and made your choices, take a moment to review. Click on the highlight or the summary area that shows what you've selected. Make sure everything looks right. Double-check that you haven't accidentally turned off auto-renewal for something you really need, like your main domain or your hosting. And that's it. You've just taken full control over which services renew automatically and which ones don't. No more surprise charges. No more worrying about a critical domain expiring in the middle of the night. You can come back here anytime you add a new service or decide to let something go. It only takes a minute once you know where to look.